In Project Groceries, there are two ways to add costing to an ingredient. If I open this salt ingredient, we can see that I have the option to add a link or to manually set the cost. I'll start off by manually setting the cost, and it's quite straightforward. I just need to enter the price. I'll say $2.50 per 1 kilogram. And if I submit that, the ingredient now costs $2.50 per kilogram. The other option, if I open the skim milk ingredient, is to add a link. And essentially what adding a link does is, from the supported websites, Project Groceries will fetch the ingredient details, and this will allow you to easily update ingredient costs at the click of a button. And these are the supported websites. So for example, if I go to Hastings Co-op and I search for skim milk, let's say this dairy farmer skim milk, all I need to do is copy the link of the address, and if I paste it in here and submit that, Project Groceries will go ahead and get the details of that ingredient, and here we are, $2.09 per 1 liter, and I can now confirm that. Now, in Project Groceries, ingredients that have a costing link can be updated at the click of a button. So if I ever wanted to update this ingredient cost, I can just click this update price button, and Project Groceries will check whether the price has changed, and the price has not changed. And I can also bulk update all ingredient prices with a link from this button here. If I click this update ingredient prices button, Project Groceries will go and check if any of those prices have changed, and one ingredient price has changed.